Welcome back to another Explore Niagara video. Today we're exploring the Whirlpool Jet Boat and I am so excited, so let's get started. Whirlpool Jet Boat has been running here in the Niagara River since 1992, and over the past 30 plus years, they've taken 2.5 million plus people into the Niagara River and through the Class 6 rapids into the Whirlpool Gorge. These Class 6 rapids are the water that comes from Niagara Falls. In fact, all of the flow that pours over Niagara Falls has to come through this stretch of rapids and into a circular Whirlpool Gorge before it exits. We are here with Jessica, the operations manager for Whirlpool Jet Boat Tours. So Jessica, why would you say people visit the Whirlpool Jet Boats? What makes this attraction so unique for people?
Yeah, so it allows you to have that little bit of a thrill on the Niagara River, that little bit of a kayaking experience without having to do any work. You get along, sit on the boats, completely drenched in water, that kind of a thing. It's pretty cool.
You definitely get drenched in water. My last question for you is, what does Niagara Falls mean to you? It means so many different things to different people. So what would you say on a personal level Niagara Falls means to you?
Yeah, Niagara Falls was always home for me. That's moving here, that was always the place that I wanted to go back to, so it's home.
It's home, I love that. For those of you that are adventure seekers, thrill seekers, you are going to love this ride. Maybe you saw the falls already and you want to get a little more immersive in the Niagara River. This attraction is for you. They have a wet jet as well as a dry jet boat. So you can choose how wet you want to get. We're going to do the wet jet today, so let's get going.
My name is Mike and I'm going to be your trip leader for today. Before we do get started with that though, some quick information about it. Be a 12-mile round tour, 6 miles upstream, 6 miles back, going through the Class 1 through 5 rapids, all the way up to the Niagara Whirlpool. While we are playing on those Class 5s, also known as Devil's Hole, y'all are going to get completely soaking wet. Now with that being said, very similar amount of water is in the original.
Before we do go and dive into those fives, we ask anyone with any glasses, sunglasses, or hats, take them off, put them in that black box right in front of you.
Wow, what an incredible experience. I think I got a little wet. I have the proof that I did the jet boat. We were going through Class 4 and Class 5 rapids, all the way up to the Class 6 rapids, some of the most dangerous rapids in the world, upwards to 25 miles per hour and 10 to 12 feet high. And then all the way back, you can see great views of the gorge. You can see great views of the power plants, both American and Canadian power plants. You had a guide give you fun facts, information, and jokes throughout. It was a blast, literally. And after you're done with your trip, you can get yourself something to take home with you at the gift shop. So follow me. They do sell in the gift shop these sandals that are really grippy, and they're good for, obviously, if you're going to be very wet like you will be. So either before or after your trip you can use these. This is a good PSA for those of you doing the wet jet. Make sure you bring a change of clothes. I forgot to bring a change of clothes, and I will be wearing this for the rest of the day. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something and you were able to experience it with us. If you're planning a vacation, you can visit explore-niagara.com and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.